Tell me about your game plan. Like,
Like a game plan for you?
I know, yeah,
Yeah. So, overall, it seems like you're still trying to hunt and get your hunt. You're still trying to get your first client. So, keep doing keep doing what you're seeing is working. So, I wouldn't be I wouldn't be solely focused on, okay, how can I get my first client? Just be like, okay, how can I get my first discovery call meeting? So focus on, getting more meetings, making more cold calls, making it quick and to the point, and getting just more meetings set on your calendar and on that other person's calendar as well. And then once you get the meetings, you need to know, okay, how can I talk in the meeting so that they're gonna A, trust me, and B, I'm gonna build rapport, and that it's gonna lead to me sending out a proposal. So the overall plan, this is how I did it, is you do the cold call, then you do the meeting, and then from that meeting you gather information to get a proposal, and from that proposal, usually closing is just answering any questions that they have about the proposal. And then if they're like, oh, I'm scared, I can't do this, you make them a guarantee, you make them a solid guarantee, and then you move forward from there. Okay. So focus mostly on just getting more meetings. And when it comes to the discovery call, you want to ask them questions you want to discover how they're currently marketing now. You want to ask questions around that. Then you want to get into, okay, um, why, like, what are their desires? Like, what do they want? Like, why do they even start a business in the first place? Like, maybe they did it just to have more money. If they did get it to have more money, why do they want that more money? Do they want to go on that vacation they always wanted? Do they want to, be able to send their kids to college? Like, you want to find the underlying reason of why they're doing all that. Because what you can do is you can take that desire and you can always use it to, encourage them when they're feeling like nervous. So for example, if they're like, oh, I'm not sure, or I can't do this, but you can just say, hey, just rest assured that I can help you get the money to send those kids to graduation or send those kids to college, for the most part, right? Like whatever their desire is. And you also want to ask questions around, you know um, why haven't they done it before, or like what's holding them back from getting them to that desire. And then what you want to act like is like, okay, I see this is holding you back. With me on your team or whatever, this won't be a problem for you. So this won't hold you back. So this will get you to point B, which is your greatest desire, which is what you desire and stuff like that. So make sure you want to figure out, okay, why do they start a business? What's their desire? What do they want? And what's holding them back from getting to that point? And then from there, you want to give a overall synopsis of like how what you do can be that bridge from what's holding them back to what's actually going to get them results. Um, so yeah, um, once you establish that, and once you get all that information, you can make a proposal that more lays out what you do, and then not only lays it out, but it also tells them like um, what to expect when working with you and everything that you need as well. And that's another thing too. You also want to ask a question of like, how many customers do you want to get per month? So let's say they're currently getting 2 to 3 new customers a month. Say, okay, how many do you want? They say, okay, I want 5 to 6. In the proposal, you say the goal is to get you 5 to 6 more customers per month. Using Facebook ads, Google ads, whatever type of concept that you think about. Um, so you want to take the goals and the metrics, and you want to use that to be like, okay, if I did this goal for you, I fulfilled my goal, and then you, of course, you want to over deliver. So let's say I want 5 to 6 customers, then you get them 10 customers. Boom, that's a client that you keep right there. And just another thing, just down the line. I mean, you don't need to really worry about this now, but just keep this in your head. Um, Always be trying to work with the client to, maybe they're not getting the results, maybe the leads aren't as good. Don't be like, oh, I don't know what to do, I can't help you. always think of ways, different ideas, think of different things that you could do to be like to like ease the customer's pain and make them move forward as well. So like for example, with my current client that I was just on the phone on, I was getting him a lot of leads, but they either A didn't respond or B they weren't doing the thing that he was specifically looking for. So I was talking to him and I've been doing research about that as well. Like, okay, hey, we can do this idea and this idea as well. And if you say the different ideas that you can to help the client, they're going to be, they're going to feel a lot more confident in you. And also, it's going to put them at ease. And even if you didn't get them the exact results that they're looking for, they're going to be willing to give you another month to, get them those results as well. So, which is exactly what happened here for the most part. So, like, he's giving me another month to actually get him, like, more results for the most part, right? And then once I actually implement and get those results for him, then it's just a shoe in at that point. It's like it's easy like that. And then I can keep him. I'll keep him forever. He'll be a testimonial and all that fun stuff. But that is way later down the line. That's like the end of the roadmap. For right now, for where you are right now, focus on making the calls. Focus on getting the meetings. Once you're getting the meetings, focus on what to do to the meetings. Focus on the questions you ask. You can do a Google search of great discovery call questions, or you can ask the questions that I said, which is okay. How many customers are you getting per week? How many customers do you want to get per week? Why do you want to get those customers? What's holding you back from getting those customers? And why they even start in business in general. Um,
Mhm.
so you want to get an answer to all that, and then just say, I can help you reach that desire. I can help you reach that goal. I know I was talking a lot there. Do you have any questions or do you have any